Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nah, not channel. Today we are in Bird Simulator. Oh man, that's loud. We're in Bird Simulator, guys. And I haven't been posting a lot because my mic broke, but I bought a new one. So I just decided to play this game because I've actually been playing a lot. And yeah, if my voice sounds a little rusty, I'm sorry. I'm not okay right now. So we're gonna go with the small bird. I don't know. Falcon's better or Falcon. Yeah, it's Falcon. Okay, let's go eat some bunnies. I like eating bunnies. I'm fat. Oh, release to glide. It's a really fun game, yo. It's life. It's like life as a bird, bro. It's really easy to play. You just gotta role play about having a family. Oh, and watch this. Oh yeah, I ate that. Boom. I'll be posting a lot now. I'll be posting a lot now. Oh, I feel like I just woke up. Oh, okay. So what do we technically? What do we like do, bro? Why do I keep saying bro? What do I do right now? I'm just gonna be eating a little, and we might go to a different game, maybe. Oh, where? I'm hungry. Where? I just zoomed in BTW. Right there. Ah, I can't eat spiders though. That's messed up. Maybe you guys want to see the little bird already. Little birds are. You know what? I'm not a fan of cuteness, but I can say little birds are cute. Bro, the creator of this game must have really put a lot of effort in this game. It's really fun, bro. Why do I keep saying bro? Ignore that. Bro. Oh, my brother's knocking on the door. BRB. I'm back, guys. Yeah, I shouldn't yell. Okay. Wait, I'm already in full screen, right? Oh, no, I ain't. Huh. Let me just drag this down. There. Little Bird's really cool, bro. Why do I keep saying bro to YouTube? Little Bird's cool, guys. Yo, what do I eat? What am I? I'm a hummingbird, right? I should only eat plants. Is this considered a plant? Oh man, that's gonna eat me. Oh, I found a plant. Oh, can I eat this flower? I can't even eat a flower. Can I eat this one? Yo, I can't eat nothing. Well, let's just go get a family. They're gonna feed me. Anybody need a son? Anybody need a son or a bird? Anybody need a son? Anybody need a son? Yo, nobody texts. Oh, me. Where are you, mom slash dad? And just to do that, because we just call him a, a mom, and then he's a boy. It's just gonna be awkward. Then he might leave it in a tree, bruh. Which tree? Which tree? Yo, there's thousands of trees in this game. Which tree? Do you see a white bunny? I never. Oh yeah, there is white bunnies. Where are you? I'm gonna say by a pond. By a pond. By a pond. I made a little song about penguins. Don't laugh, please, but get your ice. Take it to the sun and get your prize. Please don't laugh. He said, okay. What type of bird? Type what type what type of bird are you? What type of bird are you? Oh, oh, is that him? Oh, oh, hell no. Oh, he's trying to eat me. Wait, I don't even think you can eat each other on this game. What if I eat you? Dear. Whoa. Whoa. We shouldn't trust this dude. Whoa, maybe I shouldn't leave. Let's just. Whoa. Whoa. You huge. You huge. Oh. Oh, those birds are cool. Oh, look at my little sound. And am I supposed to like sing? My fear me, fear me, fear me, fear me. My text didn't go inside the fear me. My my beak is the strongest. My beak is the strongest. Hear this. Oh my god. Oh, yo, I wish they added more like birds. They don't update anymore. Hey guys, I'm about to go record about prison life. So, yeah, I'm gonna go record about prison life right now. Oh wait, let me just get a let me just get a thumbnail for this video because I don't know how to create my own thumbnails. So, peace.